You know what? Today I just wanted to talk about the American news. American news, like I said, we be idolizing most of the American artists. So it makes sense for us to make a show about American news. Here's another breaking news. Jamie Foxx. Did you see the Jamie Foxx special on Netflix? Well, I saw it. And I gotta tell you this, man. That shit was trash. Trash, trash, trash. I mean, you cannot expect us to laugh out loud. Meanwhile, you haven't been performing throughout the entire 20 or 30 years. Come on, man. You are a movie guy. I mean, we get it. You nearly died, but that thing was trash. It also kind of reminded me of the saga of, remember when Will smacked Chris? When Will Smith was slapping the shit out of Chris Rock during the Oscars. Chris Rock was invited to some interviews and he didn't do any of those up until he got a deal from Netflix and then he made a special about it. Well, Chris Rock is funny. He's hilarious. That one I gotta give it to him. Chris Rock was funny. He was able to monetize his pain and all those stuff. But what Jamie Foxx did, he robbed us, man. He kind of scammed us because it's more like he was just preaching bullshit after bullshit, man, just because your brain can't be operating for a few months and now you feel like you gotta monetize your pain. I mean, that's a very great strategy to do it. But overall, the special was trash. No doubt, the special was trash. I remember Katt Williams saying, okay, suffering from a mystery illness. A mystery illness. Only to come and rob us. Come on, we subscribe to those things, man. But anyways, good for you, Jamie. You got the bag. I'm sure they probably paid you like 20 million or something. But you kind of deserve it. You went through hell and dust and you came back. And those who were saying you got cloned and all that bullshit, well, it's only you who knows. And the doctors. We don't know shit about that. We don't know shit about that. Here's another story. Now, let's talk about some interesting stuff now. The West Coast is back, baby. West Coast is back, and it's angry. Kendrick just dropped. Ice Cube just dropped. Snoop Dogg just dropped. Exhibit is about to drop. Like, West Coast is angry, man. They're just trying to show us that we're still in the game and we're still leading with this thing. West Coast for life, man. When I was listening to Kendrick's album, well, it was good, it was dope, but not better than Mr. Morale. Mr. Morale, I gotta give it to that, man. I gotta give it to that album. Mr. Morale was the best. And Ice Cube, oh man, he really did something on that album. Man down.
Trejo Tebogo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, LungTrey STUDIO, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung